Raecho infant ventilator installation. Firstly, loosen the screws on the air compressor. Then put the plug into the hole instead. Loosen the screws on the pipe clamp. Then fit the pole on the machine. Fit the screw at the button of the pole. Tighten up the screws. Adjust the head of the pole. Fit the air-oxygen blender on the head of the pole. Fit the humidifier. Connect the pressure generator. Fit the chamber on the humidifier. Next, to connect the breathing circuit. Connect the humidifier chamber with the air-oxygen blender. Another end connect with the water cup. Take a new pipe to connect the pressure generator. Then connect the whole circuit. Now the connection of the whole circuit is completed. Fit the detector. Fit the hanging bracket. Put the circuit pipes on the hanging bracket. Connect the air and oxygen pipes. Blue pipe connecting the air hose coupling. Green pipe connecting the oxygen hose coupling. The other end connect the cylinders. Finally, connect the power supply.